so I have this. So yeah, I'm ready. Wait, no I don't. I'm pretty sure I'm missing an ingredient. No, I'm not. So, Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making a quesadilla. So it's gonna be like a cheesy, eggy, sausagey, black peppery, tortilla-y quesadilla. So let's just get on with the ingredients. So of course for the quesadilla we need 2 flour tortillas. Then we have 4 eggs. Then we have half cup of cheese. Then we have 1 entire sausage. It's a halal chicken sausage. Then we have pepper. So we're just gonna use like a pinch of pepper, not like all of this. Let's go to the steps. So at first I have to move all of my stuff away. I just need the eggs right now. So I'm just gonna right now try to split off the eggs because today we're making 2 quesadillas. So now I'm gonna mix them one by one. So by the way, if you've been wondering like why me and my brother haven't uploading as much, well, it's because I have a lot of things to do like school and also editing all the videos we do. So that's why. So by the way, you can comment to suggest like recipes that we can cook, or you can even suggest us other videos like where to travel and stuff, and we can show you a video about it. So now I'm gonna add like a pinch of pepper, or 1/8 teaspoon. Then keep mixing until the pepper is goodly mixed. Now these 2 are done. I'm gonna put this one away. Now I'm going to heat this pan to medium. So first I'm gonna pour in some oil. I think I forgot to add this in the ingredients list. Okay, so after you add the oil, just make sure like it's enough to go around the pan because we don't want to waste oil. So now I need this egg to be poured in inside. So now we just wait for this egg to like cook through this like small layer. So it's gonna be like the bottom's gonna be cooked and also the top part like kind of cooked. So now that this is finished like cooking, I'm gonna sprinkle cheese on top so that the flour tortilla sticks on top. Just add as many shredded cheese as you want. It's gonna be a really cheesy quesadilla. So after a lot of the cheese, like most of the cheese has melted, add this flour tortilla. I'm just saying which one has the least brown because I want that side up. Now it's flipping time. Now just add cheese with the sausages. Add your sausages. Just to say, just wash your hands before doing all these steps because it's advised to do that, or else you would have a lot of germs in your hands or your food. Okay, now I'm gonna sprinkle some more cheese. So as you realize, I'm putting this on one side because I'm going to make it like a half circle shaped, like right now. I'll show you. now I'm just gonna wait until the sides are brown. By the way, the heat is still at medium, so be sure to not make your heat go up. You could go low if you want, if you're like a slow cooker that likes your food perfect and crispy and other things like slow cooker really likes. I'm just using my hand to do the other side because you know you just want to make sure that your quesadilla is perfect and the people you serve are gonna be like Walmart 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Is that copyrighted though? So now this quesadilla is done, so I'm gonna put this on this cutting board, but I'm gonna cut this later. Looks really cheesy. There's a sausage out here, but it's okay. I'm just gonna put it back in. And for the next one, I'm just gonna wash my hands and do all the steps you have seen before. Look at these quesadillas, it's like so cheesy. Can't wait to try them. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share with your family and friends, and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you get new videos every time we upload. So goodbye.